Hello guys, welcome to our lecture, and in this lecture we all know that how important VLOOKUP is. So I just came up with the two different methods that will help you out to get the VLOOKUP functions to be done. And so we start our lecture without wasting time, and you just need to give favor to watch the full video so you will get the benefit of how we can use the two methods of VLOOKUP and which method will help you out and how you understand the method. So we will start our first method, and our first method is we will use VLOOKUP by here this function, which is the insert function. So you just need to click it in the insert function, and the insert function you see the box appear, and in the box you see the VLOOKUP. You just need to click it, and now another box will come up. Now it says which lookup value you want to search. So you just need to click here, and in this you write the cell address, and the cell address is B11, which means you just need to look this value up. Now in the second it will says table array. Which table array I just select, so you just need to select the whole table array. So the second box is also completed. In the third it says column index. So in the column index we just need the value of the names, like I just write the ID and I want the name, so I just write the column number 2. So column number 2 I just write 2, and in the last range I just write 0, and I just write OK. So it says nothing available because I didn't write anything. I just write the ID number, which is 1001, and it says mark because in our function the column number 2 is mark. And if I just write here 1003, so it will tell you James. Now you just again select the cell, and here you go insert function. So if you want the marks, so you just need to select the column number 3, and the column number 3 you just need to write here 3, and again okay. Now it says status, which means 1003 gives you the column number 3 marks, which is 73. If I just select the 1004, so it will give the 61 marks. Now if I want the grades, so the grades in the column number 4, so I just select the same box, and I can go here insert and write here column number 4, so it will gives you the grade. Now if I just want 001 grade, so the person 1001 got the grade A. This is how our first method completed, which is by using the insert function. Now we proceed our second, which is you just need manually type the formula. So you just write equals to we look up, and you just need bracket open. Now it says which value you want to look up, so I just select the cell, means I want to look up this value. Now I just write comma. Now it says table array, I select the whole table array, comma. Now it says column, which column data you want. I want the column number 2 data, so I just select the 2 and comma. Now again write your 0 for our completion. Now it says nothing available, so I just write 1002. Now it says Harry because 1002 is Harry. You can also make the changes in it. You just simply need to select here, and here you see the column number 2 because it gives you the data of column number 2. And if you want the data of the column number 3, which is marks, so you just need to go here and make the changes of 2 and make it 3, so it gives you the column number 3 status, which is marks, and 1002 got 95 marks. If I just select the 1004, so it gives you Christopher because Christopher got 61 marks. Now if I want the grade, so you just need again go here and make some amendment in it. So for making the changes you just need to write your 4 instead of 3, and here you got the grade D. And if I want to write here 1002 and want the grade B, so I just write 1002, and here you got the B grade. This is how you can got the data by inserting function, or you can also type the manually function in it. It depends upon you, and if you like our video and get the benefit of it, and if you want to favor and support us, please like and share our channel and watch the whole video. Thank you so much for your support.